Hi guys! Welcome back to Mimi's Venture. So this is the third part of our greenhouse gardening. So as you see, we're trying to pull out all the grass and all the dirty things in the soil like rocks, bottles, paper, plastic, because the last owner of this lot, as you see, I don't know what they did, but they put lots of rocks in the soil, plastic, bottles or anything. So we try to pull it out so that we have a clean, very clean soil. After pulling out all the plastics, bottles and rocks that we found in the soil, we're going to wet the soil so that we can work with it much easier.